Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Betty Boop's cartoon face in Dress to Impress. So to do that, you are just going to go to the dressing rooms first, and we're going to need these eyelashes in the 9th toggle in black. You're going to position the Y at 0.51, and we're going to scale it up to 0.58. Then we are going to need the Lady Gaga lashes, so I'm just going to go to this section here, grab these lashes and color them in black. We're going to position the Y at 0.59, and we're going to put the Z at 0.48. Rotate the X to 0.45, and we're going to scale it down to 0.3. Well, 0.30, like this. Then we're going to need these hoop earrings, the big one, and we're going to color it black. Then we're going to position the X to 0.55, the Y to 0.56, the Z to 0.54, rotate the X to 0.45, and oh, actually no, sorry, my bad. Rotate the X to 0.49, Y to 0.36, Z to 0.46, and we're going to scale it down to 0.27. Looks something like that. I do want to mention I did use VIP for this. We are going to grab these hoop earrings, the heart-shaped ones, and we're going to color them black. For that, we're going to position the X to 0.40. My mouse is being annoying right now. And Y to 0.22. See, like it won't. There we go. Rotate the Y to 0.38. The Z to 0.70. And we're going to scale it to 0.79. Like so. Then we're going to use the Coraline eyes, button eyes, whatever you want to call it. We're going to color it the same, and then the second one black in default. Position the X to 0.55 and the Z to 0.47. We are not going to rotate it, and we're going to scale it down to 0.27, like so. Then we're going to get these earrings, the flower one, and we're going to color them black. For this, we're going to go ahead and position it at 0.58 for X, and then 55, and then 58 again. Rotate the X to 0.52 and the Y to 0.42, and we're going to scale it to 0.85. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to grab the pearl earrings here. I think I might change these earrings a little bit and scale them up a bit more and position them down. Just kind of adjust it so it matches the other eye. I think I might scale it downwards a little bit more. There you go. Okay. Grab the pearl earrings and color it white and matte, and then position the X to 0.64, Y to 0.55, and Z to 0.43, and rotate the Y to 0.41, scale it all the way to 0. Grab this mic, color it white in matte for both. Good. Position the X to 0.56, Y to 0.61, Z to 0.29. Rotate the Y to 0.63. And we're going to scale it to 0.26. Okay, just going to, whoops, fix it just a little bit so it looks more cohesive. And then we're going to use the small thick hoop earrings, which is this one, in black. And we're going to position the X to 0.51, Y to 0.45, Z to 0.45 as well. I think this is for the nose. Rotate the X to 0.63, Y to 0.35, Z to 0.6, and scale it all the way to 0. Next, I'm just going to add custom makeup, and I'll be right back with what I used. Okay, so here's everything for the custom makeup. You don't need any eyes. I use these eyebrows, the one that's kind of like arced in, and just colored it black. And for the lips, I used these smaller lips in 404040. For the contour, use this one here. It is colored 6F959F, and then I use this in white. This one here, if you scroll down a little bit, in white, and then if you go up, I use this one here in the color black. Then I went up again and I used this eyeshadow for the white part of the eye in white, as well as this in white. And that is it. That is Betty Boop for you. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.